property, real estate, equipment over to a new district called the Community School District. And they do so without the authorization, or they're in essence imposing a penalty without adjudication. They're confiscating our property and giving it to another entity, as if we went through bankruptcy. What they've done is impose the penalties of bankruptcy without going through the discovery that a bankruptcy would and due diligence that a bankruptcy would uncover. So.
And why are they doing that?
And well, I can't go into someone's state of mind, but it would appear that they're doing this as a cover-up for previous actions.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
I have a question, first of all, then I want to offer a friendly amendment. Since we're a Title I district, my question is, we have a lot of federal money that has purchased some of these things that we have in the district. I would like to know, is there anybody we can send this to at the federal level? That's the first one. And then I would like, my amendment is that we send this to all the legislators, the mayor, city council, and the attorney general, and anybody else you want.
The congressional delegation?
All of the legislators, meaning the Republicans and all Democrats.
Well, I mean,
in the House and Senate.
I'm referring to the Congress, John Conyers, Brenda Lawrence, Peters, Stabenow.
Yes.
We want to send
yes.
it, as well as the,
all right.
as well as the
so
state rep.
I'll add federal.
And so you through the secretary could be authorized to do that, but I'll do that after we adopt the motion. There's a motion on the floor. Is there any more further discussion on the motion?
Did we have a second?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't remember hearing it. Okay.
Been moved and properly second. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed have the same right. Without objection, the motion passes.
Can I just take 1 minute and explain to some of the new people in the audience who have not been to our meetings why we're doing this? Inkster, the city of Inkster can no longer have a public school district. They took the property and divided it up among the suburban school districts, which is a violation of the state constitution, which is the same thing they're doing here. So what we're doing is trying any way we can to fight to make sure that our assets are not given to this new district, keeping in mind that you're going to continue to pay taxes on both of these districts.
The second resolution is a resolution to seek a federal and state injunction, and I will be to prevent the bifurcation of the district into an OCO, NUCO, and to oppose the state's imposed bankruptcy-like penalty on our district without adjudication and due diligence. Been moved and properly supported. Is the discussion on the motion?
Yes, I have one question. I know that East Point has gotten an injunction. So for those in the audience who may not know, East Point was scheduled to have an emergency manager, and they went to court and they used what's happening to Detroit Public Schools as their rationale for why they should not be under emergency manager, and they now have an injunction. So they cannot at this point put an emergency manager in. So that's the one thing I wanted to mention. And if we do the federal, I've lost my thought now. But basically what I wanted to know is, if we do this injunction, will it be similar to, will it go to the similar court that East Point used? That's the question I have.
Well, no, they went to probably the Court of Claims, and that was probably against the SRO. East Point. I don't think they did a federal.
I thought it was a district judge.
It was a Macomb County court.
Oh, so it was a Macomb County. So it was a local. It was just a district court.
Yes, district.
Okay, it was a district court.
So okay, so district court.
So they got what's called a Homer call.
Do we have that?
You know what? No, Judge Berry is not.
I know she's not on our side.
Well, that's our Homer. Homer call. When we got Baxter, that was a Homer call, right? Mm-hmm. She's from Detroit. She's from here. She sees it. Mm-hmm. She knows it, and so
They changed the law.
And they didn't appeal it. Normally, because of home cause, they appeal it to the next level and the next level.
Okay.
They didn't appeal it, they just changed the law
Okay,
with the Baxter decision.
okay, that's true, they did. All right, that was my question.
It's been moved and properly, is there any further discussion? Any further discussion? It's been moved and properly seconded. All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed have the same right. Motion carries without objection unanimously among all members present.